Hey y'all, welcome to Dodie Doe on the Go. Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment, share if you feel like it. But anyway, it's Sunday and we're gonna get on to it. I'm gonna be making some beef vegetable stew, and then also later on, because it's like 45 degrees somewhere in there this morning, and so I'm gonna wait until it warms up a little bit more before I go outside and put those step side rails on to my truck. But as of right now, we're gonna make us some good old beef vegetable soup. So let's get to it. I've already got the stove on and warming up. I had greased it up with some more this is just some olive oil, and I had sprayed it down. Oh shoots now, oh my, I had sprayed it down with some canola oil because these kids had put my doggone pot in the freaking dishwasher. OMG. I was like, don't you guys ever do that again, ever. So at any rate, we bring out my stew meat. This is my little stew meat I'm gonna be using. And we're gonna, let me turn that. I'm gonna have to put that vent on because it may get a little smoky. I don't know. Look at this skillet. So I have to put that in there. All right. Y'all hear that sizzling? Wash my hands again. I got a problem with hand washing. I know when I be cooking, I be washing my hand like 50 times. I'm gonna go in with a little garlic powder. And y'all, once again, well, I'll tell you when I get to that part. Here's a little onion seasoning. I'm going to do a little black pepper as well. What else do I throw on here? That may be it for right now. And I'll probably do the rest of it once I put it in the stew. Oh man, my drawer. All I'm doing right now is just browning my meat, because I'm going to be putting this in a pressure cooker. So I could have just waited, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't. I'm just trying to brown it some and put it in there and go from there. And I'm cheating because, yeah. What I should have been doing, I should have had my potatoes on already. But hopefully it all turns out right. Oh, that looks so good. So, yes, I am cooking. I need to get my wooden spoon. I know y'all gonna be fussing and stuff, but this is a cast iron skillet. It can handle it. It can handle it. I be watching other people's videos, and they just be fussing about what folks use when they cooking. Let them folks do them. You know what I'm saying? Let me do me. Because I'm gonna do me anyway. Now, if y'all want to buy me something, then hey, something different, then that's okay, cool. But I'm going to use what I got to cook what I need. Okay, y'all, I got this chicken broth. I'm just going to have this start warming up in the pressure cooker. And this was about a half a box, and this is a full box. So. going and going and going. Alright, so our meat is, it's about brown enough. This is good enough. So we're gonna cook the rest of the way in that pressurizer. So turn that off. Maybe we want to get a piece of it right now. Maybe you want some hibachi. Okay. Okay, you guys, you know, I be cheating a lot. I be buying these now. I used to be sitting there cutting up my vegetables and everything, getting fresh vegetables and cutting up onions, but I'm just going to do this right here. I'm just dumping it in there, baby. Dumping it in there. I used to think things wouldn't taste the same, but yeah, here's my mixed vegetables. I'm using two of these little small bags. They 12-ounce bags, so that's that. Here's bag number 2. Put that on in there. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take this trash out. Ooh, oh, sorry, y'all, didn't mean to make the dizzy. Next, we have our little potatoes. Can y'all see that? Bag of potatoes. I just rinsed them all. Put them in there. All right, let's go get our meat. Oh, Lord. Whew, my wrist ain't strong enough for this, but here we go. I'm just putting my meat in there. Like I said, I ain't doing nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. I should get all that meat as high as food is. Shoot. Oh, Lord, my hand. Okay. I should have had that boy come up in here and put that on. What? You gonna eat? So, y'all see how they're looking right now? We about to put this lid on. Put the lid on and forget it. Make sure that's closed. I'm gonna put it over to pressure cook. And yeah, we should have us some stew soon. Okay, you guys, I just got my beef stew together and put it in the pressure cooker or whatever. So we're gonna give it, you know, a little bit to cook, and then I'm gonna do my cornbread. But anyway, I think I may go ahead and go out here and start on this truck, because you know when you be working and stuff, you get hot. Like I done got hot all of a sudden just by doing that, and I did it the simple way, quick and simple and easy. That's how I be trying to simplify my life, trying to feed these children, and they better eat this stuff too. But anyway, I think I'm gonna run outside and at least unbox, you know, all of the stuff that came with the step side rails or whatever. And so we'll see if I do it now or later. It may be still too cold outside. If it is, I may just pull the truck into my garage and put the heater on out there, and we're gonna call it a day. This is what it's looking like so far, you guys. My quick and easy, simple vegetable stew. Okay, you guys, I'm out here. It's about 9:30 in the morning. You have these 2 pieces here, and then we got these 2 boxes here that I'm about to unbox. So let's see what's in those. And I tell y'all, every time I be out here, it be a dang on plane come through. Every time. So what was in there? Let me put this up before I been and stuck somebody. So what was in there is the instructions, Then we got all the hardware, the brackets and everything. I can see now, as big as these brackets are, I'm probably gonna have to get my daughter and my son to come out here to hold this. But what I'm thinking that I may do, what I'm thinking I may do, I think I may just put the brackets onto the actual rails first and then connect the brackets to the truck. Or should I put the brackets on the truck first and then connect the rails? But we'll see. Okay, so as you see, we have the two rails. I have this one here flipped over so you can see what it's looking like. And this is the underneath side of the other one. Then you have two sets of brackets. They're not the same, you know, so you got one shape like this. And then the other four, is shaped like that one. So let's get to figuring this stuff out. I just had a thought. Ooh, the sun. I just had a thought. I may want to put the brackets on the truck first because I don't know where it's going to line up. And on the steps itself, it has several places for where I can put them on. Or maybe they'll slide. I think they may slide. So I may just put them on. I just thought about it. They sliding. So I should be able to put the brackets onto the step and then connect them to the truck because I'll be able to slide the brackets where I need it to go. Okay, according to the instructions here, I'm going to need an M10 and an M13 socket wrench, which I have my socket wrench here. I used this yesterday on the truck with the 10. So here's my 10 attachment and here's my 13. So let's see. Also have this here. This is for, you know, that I can be able to use it, you know, like a power, you know, adapter. And so I can do it as much as I want, and then I'm not going to torque it. I'm just going to end up finishing it up by hand. But I'm going to do this because I got bad hands. And so I'm going to start off with this and then go to the regular hand driver. I just thought this was funny. It's saying professional installation is recommended. But you guys know I'm a professional. I work in surgery. Been doing orthopedics for damn near, what, 30 years. So, hey, I know how to fix things and put things together and know how to operate these hand tools. And for real, you know, we use a lot of hand tools in surgery, especially with orthopedics. Y'all, I went in the house and got my son's little mattress to be under here. So I'm gonna feel like where the bracket's at. I might need to go get my hair light. But anyway, let's see here. Oh, they just right here. So I ain't got that far to go. So you guys, I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver to get under here and take all the little tabs off. Okay, see these little part here? Ooh, can you see that? These are what I'm working on getting out. So I'll get back with you guys in a minute. This the worst part of the daggone job is getting these little tabs out. I don't know if because this is a new truck or what, but wasted too much time on these. Okay, you guys, I got all the ones on this left side, on the driver's side off. It's 4 sets of them. So now I'm going to start putting on the brackets. Man, that's the worst part, I believe. But all right, if I can get some coverage, I'll show you guys. What is it? See, this is why I don't have, you know, I can't get nothing done for dealing with a toddler. Keep interrupting me. Here, take that in the house and bye. Don't come back out here. So what I've been doing, you guys, I've been putting these together So you have the bolt screw with the locker and the flat washer. So I'm just loading them all like this. So you got your bolt, your locker washer, and ooh, that one broke, and your flat washer. So I'm gonna do all that. Ouch. Start this one. Y'all, I did this before in my other truck. And the thing about it was, it wasn't lifted. This truck here has a little bit of a lift kit, like a 2-inch lift. And baby, whoa, get your ass. Where are these dogs coming from? Get away from here. Go. Who's dogs? Go. Get away from here. What is it on the other side of my... Lord, let me make sure my door closed. Y'all. Oh, dog. Get away from here. Go. Get. Go. No. Go. Get away. Get. Go. Get. Get. Go. Damn dogs coming over here up underneath the truck while I'm under here. Go in the house and close my door.
Dog.
Yeah, I don't know who dogs they were. Can't even work on my stuff. Go. Shaquille, go in the house. They look ain't had that piece on me. I hate to pop somebody's puppy, y'all. Woo! I'm under here trying to mind my own business that pays me. Here comes some damn dogs. Oh my goodness. All on camera. Let me get in here. I'm already ready to get from underneath this dang on truck. Don't need no kind of disturbances. Shoot. My glasses. Oh, where my thing at? Oh Lord, let me find my 13. Lord, see, it done got me all miscombobulated and everything. The dang on thing was already on here. Look, y'all see that? Already on here. Man, I don't like. I mean, I ain't got nothing against dogs and stuff. But shoot, get your pets in your own yard. Well, they might be some strays. I don't know. Shoot. All right, guys. All right, you guys. I got these 4 brackets on here thus far, even after being almost attacked by 2 little puppies. So, remove the screws. Okay. I gotta do this 8 times. I'm not gonna keep the camera rolling while I do all this. So, get back with you guys in a minute once they're all out. So on this part, I just gotta line those brackets up to the steps, and then we're gonna lock them in with the same kind of screws. I end up having to put a locking and a flat washer onto the screw that I took out of those. So I'm gonna do that, and that's times 8. So I'm not gonna get no footage of that either because I'm tired, I'm hungry now. I need to go make my cornbread. Out here fooling around with this truck, but okay. I'm gonna put all the screws in first, and then I'll go back and tighten them up. So, whew. Oh, let me slide down some. And that's like that. I got my babies on. Let me see. Whew. Oh yeah. She's solid. Solid, baby, solid. All right. I'm gonna go do the other side, you guys. All right, I got one side done. I'm gonna go. I'm blah 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 blah. I'm going to go do the other side, and then I will show you guys the full view of the truck once I'm done, since I know what's going on, and hopefully I don't get any more disturbances, especially not from dogs. It should go a lot faster. Like I said, I'll get back with you guys in a moment. Well, it'd be nice. Oh, look at that, I'm all sideways. If I can go in the house and that cornbread done already, it sure be nice. I wish my kids would go in there and make that cornbread. I hope they hear me. Okay, you guys, I finally got these running boards on both sides. It does make the truck look a little better. The other side, yeah. And they are... yeah, they are very, very sturdy. There's no give, you know. So yeah, your girl did that. She did that. And I did it solo. Isn't that something? So yeah, the running boards are on, and I'm about to go ahead and make this cornbread because I'm about to eat. I am hungry, and that took a little bit longer than expected. But in all, putting them on was pretty easy. It was just me taking off those little caps to put the screws in that made it a little bit more difficult or time consuming. It wasn't difficult, it was just time consuming. And so, but yeah, so you guys have a blessed Sunday. Like, comment, and subscribe, and get at your girl. It's Dodie Doe on the go. Peace.